Financial success is important. It gives you choices. You can live life on your terms. You are not trapped by money worries. True security comes from financial freedom. It's about more than just having a good job. Financial freedom is about building a life you love. A life where you are in control. You have the power to make your dreams a reality. It's time to take control of your financial future. A job is important. It provides income, but it's not enough for true financial freedom. You need to create assets. Assets are things that make money for you. Real estate is an asset. Businesses are assets. Stocks and bonds are assets. Build a portfolio of assets. These assets will generate income. This income will grow over time. Leverage is key to exponential growth. It's about doing more with less. You can leverage your time, you can leverage your money, create multiple income streams. Don't rely on just one source of income. Start a side business. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Rent out a property. The more income streams you have, the more secure your financial future. Limiting beliefs can hold you back. Don't let fear stop you. You are capable of achieving great things. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Take action today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Start small and take consistent action. Your future self will thank you.